welcome back to the channel and welcome to this video. It's all of the highlights from Simply Jaguar. These are the top 3 cars as voted for by everybody here, but before we find out who's won, let's see what turned up to the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to Simply Jaguar, welcome to our award ceremony. Now, right then, let's crack on with this. Let's find out a little bit about the cars first. We're going to come on to you first, sir, because I got a cracking shot of you. Camera pointed right at you, and then you just sat the car down. Tell us what we've got, tell us what you've done to it.
It's an XJ Sport 3.2, full custom air ride by LF Performance, split banded steel wheels with custom centre caps. A few little touches, but yeah, not quite finished yet, but getting there.
Now then, sir, we come on to, I feel like I should be sort of dressed more formally to approach this vehicle. Tell us what we got here.
This is an SS1 coupe. Been in the family since 1937. I acquired the car off of my father's cousin. It went into restoration 2002, came out 2008. The lovely thing about the car is that the lady that owned it never pulled anything off it. I think if a gentleman had owned it, things would have been missing.
But people get out the way as well as you come down, because these two, you look like tax collectors, to be quite honest. I wouldn't fancy you turning up. Now then, sir, we come on to you. And we have got an X-type estate. Correct me if I'm wrong, got a diesel engine in there as well.
Diesel.
2 litre diesel.
132,000 miles.
132,000 miles, which I'm guessing, I'm looking over at our gentleman, I know yours won't have done that. I'm assuming not, sat in a barn for a few years. How many miles has yours done? 70. So you've by far done the most miles, but it has an important job, this car, I believe. Tell me about this.
£500, 11 months MOT, nothing spent on it. It's been to do the North Coast 500 in March for charity, and it's going to Nice in 3 weeks' time.
And I tell you what, a real eclectic mix here. We've got modified, we've got, do I dare say vintage? Would that be a fair word? Classic. And who said banger? It's not a banger. It's not a banger. It's got a Jaguar badge on there. Leave it alone. Oh, Denton, do you hear the audience? So the way this works, there's not a third, second and first. There's 2 runners-up and an overall winner. And I have the pleasure of telling you, ladies and gents, that our first runner-up here at Simply Jaguar 2023 here at Beaulieu is... It's the X-Type. Not bad going, sir. I mean, I tell you what, you're in the top 3. That's not bad for a 500 quid diesel X-Type, is it?
No, it's very good.
Please put your hands together for our first of our runners-up. And what a noble cause it is too. Well done to you. Now, we're down to the last 2, okay? So people have been voting all day. We've had about 4 hours worth of voting. We've had more than 1,000 cars here. And this is it, the top 2. Final check. If you think vintage has won, cheer for me now. If you think modified's won, cheer for me now. It's literally 50-50. Do you think you've won?
I hope so. It'd be a lovely thing, but I don't mind losing gracefully to that car.
Okay. Do you think you've won?
Could be.
Alrighty. So, your next runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, here at Simply Jaguar at Beaulieu is... It's you, sir. It is you, sir. You are our runner-up, but congratulations to you. Well done indeed. You have won a fantastic prize from Autoglim and also a very worthy certificate as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our next runner-up. Well done, sir. Congratulations. Which means...
It means a lot. I can't believe it.
Our winner, the People's Choice Award winner, is... our modified Jaguar. Congratulations to you, sir! Well done indeed. You weren't expecting that?
Not at all. No,
I don't think many people are expecting that, to be fair. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for your People's Choice Award winner, our modified Jaguar. Well done to you. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, underneath this video you'll find a thumbs up, and right next to it there's a subscribe button. If you hit that thumbs up, it really helps this channel grow, and it'll help put this video in front of more people. And if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get a new video from me every week. Coming up next are the highlights from the Vauxhall Bedford Opel Association Rally. But if you're not into your Vauxhalls and you prefer your Jaguars, then make sure you hit subscribe, because there is a highlights video coming up later this year from the British Motor Museum at the Gaydon Jaguar Rally. That's all coming up for you later this year. I'll see you again soon. You are such an arse. You know that. Just a complete, absolute...
I did wait until...